Hello? Are you okay?
You know
Hello?
what? You know what? That's none of your concern. Why have you been calling me time and again? I literally disconnected your call once. Don't you get that?
Yeah, actually, this was going to be my last time. I was trying to thank you, but thank you for picking up the phone.
कॉल करतोय मला माहिती आहे.
But hey, I would have called you again after some time. Maybe tomorrow, maybe day after. I just really wanted to speak to you.
You know what? You've been trying to call me time and again. You keep trying. I know what you're up to here. I am not going to return your calls. Just केला सोडत. Hello.
मला माहित नव्हतंस तू मराठी आहेस. Just would have never guessed it.
And how do you know that?
अरे because you're only...
1 minute. Isn't all this a little too strange? First of all, I don't even know you. And I don't even know why you want to talk to me so urgently. And all of a sudden you have like additional information about me. So what if I'm a Maharashtrian? Are you like trying to stalk me or spy on me or something? Come on!
अरे मगाचपासून तूच शिव्या घालते मला मराठीत.
आईचा.
अच्छा, anyway, Tanya, listen to me. आता प्लीज फोन नको कट करूस. You don't know how many efforts I've taken just so that I can get your number. God knows मला किती वेळ लागला. I think for 2 weeks. Yeah, I've been struggling for 2 weeks to get your number and finally I got your number. तर माझं 5 मिनिटं फक्त ऐकून घे आणि मग माझं मी काय बोलते ते ऐकून घे. then cut it if you want.
चालेल. बोलूया.
Hey, but Tanya, I really don't know what you're going through, but let me just put it out there. Thank you. I mean, what am I saying? First, let me introduce myself. I'm Akshay Pai. I'm an investment banker from London, and I'm also your biggest fan. म्हणजे I follow every update of yours. गेल्या 3 महिन्यात तर I've been following your page daily, and you've really helped me transform myself. तू भन्नाट आहेस, माहितीये ना तुला. I am so amazed, and all this at the age of 21, you have excelled so much. This is like, it's a God's gift. And the kind of asanas you do, especially your tips and tricks, na, too good. You're like a goddess, yeah, Tanya. I mean, I don't want to flatter you aimlessly, but really, like, I've been trying to follow you every day, and it's just been like life changing. And मला खरंच स्वतःमध्ये फरक दिसतोय. But suddenly गेल्या 2 आठवड्यात I don't know, you've not been updating, काहीच नाही तुझ्या end पासून. That's when I started getting worried about you, and that's when this whole number business, finding your number started. मी तुला Instagram वरही मेसेज केला, but then I realized इतक्या followers मध्ये तू मला कुठे बघशील. Please don't take me wrong. There is no selfish motive over here, but I really just had to find you and contact you. Somewhere I had a feeling that काहीतरी चुकीचं होतंय. And that's when I started finding your numbers. This chain went from where? Singapore, London, Sydney, Germany, Los Angeles, God knows, and finally हा टोरंटो मध्ये तुझा नंबर मिळाला. एक आपला एक कॉमन फ्रेंड आहे, तो पण कॅनेडात. And all these connections, they all watch your videos daily, हा. म्हणजे they follow your videos, your asanas, your recipes, everything. And I must tell you, all of these people adore you. Meaning, maybe not as much as me, but still like.
Bullshit! I don't believe you. आणि तू आहेस कोण? आणि बरोबर मी जीव त्याच्या आधी का कॉल केला तुम्हाला? Just stop lying to me. Stop lying to me.
Tanya.
Stop.
Tanya. हे बघ Tanya, please don't take these steps. मूर्खपणा आहे हा. And see Tanya, I know this lockdown has been difficult on all of us, but please don't succumb to all of this. And what do you mean? See Tanya, all of us really adore you, me being one of them, and you cannot do this. Please tell me, can I do something?
जे काय तुम्हाला आता बोललास आहे, जर ते खरं आहे, then tell me. Why are there so many negative comments on every damn post of mine? What's the need to body shame me? अरे if you don't like it, just unfollow me ना. आणि तू सांग मला, हे चांगली लोक आहेत कुठे? To be honest, the past 3 months have been hell for me. Do you know that? I've been living all alone. There's nobody to talk to. There's no work. And on top of all of that, this damn mess. I am fed up of this lockdown. I'm fed up of this survival instinct bullshit. I've just been giving away all I have. My yoga, my knowledge for the right recipes and diets. आणि तू बोल मला काय मिळालं त्याच्यात? I'm literally doing whatever it takes to be productive during this time.
Yeah.
Doing whatever it takes to keep myself occupied and at the same time trying my best to share something productive with them. Just in case someone out there needs it. That should help them, right?
Yes, and it does. That's exactly what's happening. That's exactly why I called you. I mean, see, I don't know what the right words are to, and I don't know how to tell you this, but look at me, for example. It has benefited me, right? That's why I'm having this conversation. That's why I've called you and हे बघ, तुला कोणासाठी बदलायची गरज नाहीये. Just stay the way you are. That's the way we adore you, and that's the reason I follow you.
Then why do I only see trolls and body shaming comments on my posts?
See, maybe because you allowed it.
Kai, you're trying to tell me I'm instigating them to comment all of this shit? Just fuck off.
अरे, मला मुळीच तसं म्हणायचं नाहीये. 1 minute. Look at the number of followers you have. Why do you need this bunch of idiots? And बघ, आता बघ, I have commented every video of yours. मी तुझ्या प्रत्येक व्हिडिओवर कमेंट केली आहे. पण ते तू बघणारच नाही. You look at all these 10-15 attention seeking comments and you get affected by it. All these most controversial attention seeking comments, they appear on top. And because of all of this, you're losing out on the positive comments you're receiving.
What do you expect me to do? I've quit my job. I've quit everything for this. This is my job now. This is what I can do the best. And the first 2 months of the lockdown were pretty good. But then suddenly it just feels like everyone's trying to vent out their anger on me. It doesn't take them even a second to bash me. I can't even tell my mom about this. She was so against this in the first place. Do you know what it's like to be a girl all alone in the city, trying to make something of her life?
Okay, now you tell me one thing. How many of these people you know personally?
No one.
Exactly. What I mean is, all of these people are commenting badly on your posts and body shaming you. How many of them do you know personally? Have you met them? Have you ever interacted with them?
But I don't even know the people who are praising me.
Well, at least you know one of them.
No, we hardly even spoke.
Okay, now you tell me one thing. I have been chasing you all over the world for an entire week just to get your number. Just so that someone can express his love and gratitude towards you. And wait, I'm not the only one. I know that there are other people. Maybe because of this lockdown, there are restraints. Then why the fuck do you care about these non-entities? And you're ignoring us for them? What about us? We care so much about you, we adore you. Well, at least me.
Okay, what's your point here?
My point here is that I have been trying to tell you thank you from all these times. I've taken your number, I've struggled so much to get your number, and you're telling me these things. It's just coming as a surprise for me, and right now I don't care about any of these things. Right now, all I care about is I've distracted you from these stupid thoughts. I mean, you want to commit suicide?
Okay, but that's just for today.
Wait, I will call you tomorrow, I will call you day after tomorrow, I'll call you every day. I'll call you every day till the lockdown ends.
Okay, so what about post-lockdown?
Well, we'll see.
you.